India is growing immensely और ये visible है from the fact that Mumbai Ahmedabad bullet train project costing INR 1.1 trillion or 286 billion smart industrial cities project. And the most interesting fact is that recently the state of Maharashtra standalone the highest number of investment in Davos in World Economic Forum, which means the India's economic growth is increasing at a larger pace. At the same time, there's chances that the GDP will also sustain and grow. But all of this growth comes with a price, the climate change. You're welcome to the Upskill School. Today, we are discussing about how Indian Inc., the companies of India, can help mitigate the climate change. Rising sea levels से मुंबई का 10% लैंड 2040 तक डूब सकता है, जिसमें 2490 बिल्डिंग्स और 24 किलोमीटर रोड हाई टाइड के टाइम अफेक्ट होंगी। 2050 तक 113 इंडियन सिटीज अक्रॉस 9 स्टेट्स सबमर्ज्ड होने का रिस्क फेस करेंगी। एंड it is not just with respect to the waters. Wildfires are another growing threat. Recently, we have seen in Los Angeles, wildfire destroyed 12,000 structures, burned through 40,300 acres, and took many lives in the month of January 2025. India हर साल 3.7 million hectares forest lost कर रहा है, and all of these lead to the feeling of helplessness despite of planting trees, saving water, and installing solar rooftop. The world seems to get into chaos and despair. And with Donald Trump coming into picture, he has also moved out from the Paris Climate Accord.
Next item here is the withdrawal from the Paris Climate Treaty.
In fact, he has also moved out from the WHO for all kinds of support. Means what? Countries like India, भारत को ये लीड लेनी होगी और क्लाइमेट चेंज में जो उसका विजन था, जो उसका मिशन था, वो आगे परस्यू करना होगा और कई हद तक ये हो भी रहा है। बट व्हाट इफ आई टोल्ड यू दैट इंडिया इंक, द इंडियन कंपनीज, आवर बिजनेसेस, आवर इंडस्ट्रीज एंड आवर कॉर्पोरेशंस could bring the solution that we are looking for in the climate change. Let us uncover how. Indian corporates can draw some kind of learning from big giants like Apple and Google and see how their carbon emission can be curtailed. For the purpose of example, Apple has set a remarkable example by reducing its greenhouse gas emission by 55% since 2015. Apple headquarters, Apple Park, has a 17 megawatt rooftop solar array powers 75% of Apple Park during peak hours. बाकी की एनर्जी एक 300 मेगावाट ऑफसाइट सोलर फार्म से मिलती है। 4 मेगावाट बायोगैस फ्यूल सेल्स और नेचुरल वेंटिलेशन की वजह से एसी का यूज 70% ऑफ द ईयर कम होता है। प्लस Apple's robot Daisy disassembles old devices to recycle rare materials, cutting e-waste. Take the example of Google. Google is another example. Google's got their own game plan. Their goal, net zero emission by 2030. They are already gone 100% renewable and now they are aiming for 24/7 carbon free energy by 2030. और ये सब एक साथ वो 120% पानी वाटर कंजम्पशन को रिप्लेनिश कर रहे हैं और सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, जैसे पुराने सर्वर्स को रिसाइकल करना और प्रोडक्ट्स को ज्यादा सस्टेनेबल बनाना। Our Indian Inc. can also follow a similar approach that can help bring more renewable energy and save the carbon emission, save us from the carbon emission and make India contributing much better in the climate change. कई कंपनीज ने ऑलरेडी क्लाइमेट चेंज पर एक्शन ले लिया है और स्टार्ट कर दिया है अपना काम। Indian giants like Tata and Mahindra are setting the bar.
In the last 5 years, for example, we've saved 58 million kilowatt hours of energy, which could, fire up 15,000 homes in India. But that saved us money. We've turned water positive in our group. We've saved 36% of the water that we use as opposed to since 1912.
Tata Power is investing a massive $9.5 billion in renewables to scale up its green energy capacity to 22 gigawatt by 2030, जो millions of tons CO2 emission को reduce करेगा। Plus वो AI driven smart grids को implement कर रहे हैं जिससे energy usage optimize हो सकती है। रिसेंटली महिंद्रा ने भी सस्टेनेबिलिटी के ऊपर काफी फोकस किया है, जैसे कि प्रोजेक्ट्स लाइक बॉन इलेक्ट्रिक ईवी ब्रांड, सोलर पावर इनिशिएटिव्स एंड सस्टेनेबल फार्मिंग प्रैक्टिसेस। उनका गोल भी कार्बन न्यूट्रल है 2040, but there is much more to be done. Let's discuss few simple 5 or 6 steps how these companies can also bring climate change conservation by following some basic steps. Point number 1, shift to renewable energy and incorporating AI technology. While Tata is leading the way, many others can also join and bring leveraging use of AI technology, wherein the smart grid systems, auto grid systems can be used for better power consumption. Point number 2, adopt circular economy practices. A circular economy is a sustainable economic model that focuses on minimizing waste and making the most available resources. Traditional linear economy का टेक मेक डिस्पोज पैटर्न के जगह सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी रिसोर्सेज को बार बार यूज करके पर फोकस करती है थ्रू प्रैक्टिसिंग लाइक शेयरिंग, लीजिंग, रीयूजिंग, रिपेयरिंग, रिफर्बिशिंग और रिसाइकलिंग. इनफैक्ट आईटीसी में through their well-being out of wastage initiative recycled over 1 million tons of waste annually while empowering local communities. The biggest question is, by 2030 India's circular economy could generate an estimated annual value approximately 14 lakh crore, but this number can still go up if more and more Indian companies work cohesively and follow these principles. Point number 3, bringing more electrify fleets and encourage sustainable mobility. Transportation account to 13.5% of Indian greenhouse emission. Switching to EVs can drastically reduce these emissions. Point number 4, investing in carbon offsetting and investing in green projects. Mahindra Group is investing in afforestation and green mobility to offset its carbon emission, aim to become carbon neutral by 2040.
I am committing here today that we will be carbon neutral as a group by 2040, 10 years ahead of the Paris Agreement target.
TCS has set a net zero target by 2030. अगर और ज्यादा इंडियन कंपनीज ये प्रिंसिपल अप्लाई करें तो हम दुनिया में एक एग्जांपल सेट करेंगे, दिखा सकते हैं कि सच में that we are real विश्व गुरुज by implementing such policies and help the Mother Earth. What do you guys think about it? Let us know in the comment. मिलते हैं next time. Till then, stay safe, stay green and stay inspired. Thanks for watching The Upskill School.